Welcome back to DXB Today. Now, you've actually missed most of the show. Where have you been? But if you have missed anything, you know what to do. All you need to do is head across to our YouTube channel. You can find all of the shows and all of the behind the scenes in case you've missed those as well.
And indeed, we are on Instagram with the hashtag DXB Today. And don't forget, we are live every single weekday night online at Dubai1.ae and on your TV, 8:30 p.m. prime time, Dubai One.
Please tune in tomorrow as we bring you up to date with more stories from our community. It is now time to sign out. But before that, here is our wonderful violinist, Tina B.